Hello students. Today we want to discuss about presentation skill. Presentation is an integral part of academia. All students and teachers have to give different presentations on different occasions. First of all, what is the definition of presentation? What are the steps in presentation? Appearance, your presentation, and dealing with various questions. Why should we learn presentation? In our professional life, we have to give presentation. Suppose you have joined as a banker, and over there are new products, and bankers go to different clients and give presentations. There are new projects. If you want to take or if you want to deliver those projects, you are supposed to present. There are new developments in your domain or in your jobs. You give presentations sometimes to your seniors and sometimes to your juniors. Those who belong to academia, they give research paper presentations or they give project presentations. And students also give presentations about their projects. When youngsters go for job interview, over there they also ask to give presentations or demo. So presentation is the part of academic life, professional life. So we should learn how to give presentation. Its definition is that ideas, concepts, or issues talked about or spoken to a group or audience, job, demo for teaching or marketing purposes. There are steps, 4 steps are significant in presentation skill. They are also called 4 P's: plan, prepare, practice, and present. Now we'll elaborate these 4 points. Planning. Planning mean raise questions or raise all WH questions. Who is your target audience? If you are going to deliver a presentation in front of children, you will prepare it differently. If you are presenting your paper in front of scholars, it would be different. Why are people sitting over there? What is your goal? Do you want to take clients? Do you want to provide services? Do you want to just inform them? How long will it be? Will it be 30-minute presentation or 60-minute presentation or whole day presentation? Where will it take place? Will it be in a seminar hall, in a conference room, or does it have a rectangular table or round table or H-shaped table? When would it be? Would it be soon or late? If it's tomorrow, obviously you should start its preparation right now. If it is after 3 months, you can start its presentation later on. How will you present? Would it be digital, online, or in face-to-face mode? Start your presentation with an outline. No PowerPoint, just take such piece of page and start writing your points. As there is no film can be completed without script. In the same way, no presentation can be completed or accomplished without outline. So you must have an outline, handwritten outline. It can be a mind map for brainstorming. Use pencil and paper, then order your thoughts. Suppose once you have written at 8th point, then you feel that no, it should be the first point. Then you give a different number. And key points should be written over there in bullet form. Sound, clear structure of presentation. Every presentation have introduction, then main theme, body, and then its conclusion. Ideally, if it's a 20-minute presentation, Try to hook attention of your audience in 2 to 3 minutes. Then 15 minutes, spend time 15 minutes for the main ideas. Then key message or conclude your point of view or the action which you require from your audience, you should sum up in 3 minutes. Second P is preparation. Speaker's three friends: personal notes, visuals, and handouts, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Handouts, there should be PowerPoint slides, there should be some personal notes that here you will crack a joke, here you will start some activity, here you will ask questions, or handouts. Handouts should be distributed among audience. There are some poor PowerPoints, you should not include these things. Too much text in one slide. You should avoid these things. These are the don'ts of presentation. Too small to read that audience cannot read. A crutch for the presenter. A presenter is just reading it word by word. This is the worst presentation when a person reads it word by word. Clip art or boring slide templates. Slides must be attractive, thought provoking. Over dazzling animation that speaker, presenter has faded. Only animation is powerful. PowerPoint should be a supporting aid. It should not be the paper from which you are reading. You should write a few points or one picture, then describe those points. This is the ideal way. Avoid too many bullets in one slide. There can be 4, 5, or not more than 4 or 5 points. There is a golden rule of presentation: 10, 20, 30. Its meaning is there should be 10 slides, there should be 20 minutes, and font size, text size should be 30, so that if there is a big hole, people can read the text easily. Use color coding. Those words which are key points, they should be bold or in different colors to attract the attention of the audience. Images should be used to convey the meaning, but the quality of the images should be very high so that they should convey the meaning and they should attract the audience. Third P is practice. If it's a room, practice in the room, and if it's technology, suppose you have never used Zoom or Teams or Meet in your life, and your presentation would be on Meet, so you should practice on Meet. Practice makes a man perfect. Appearance plays a very pivotal role in success of every presentation. If appearance is bad, people will not pay attention to the presenter. There should be pleasing personality, formal dress code with tie for boys, and formal dress according to the organization. Not showy, and do not wear showy dress because you are not going to attend a wedding function. No jeans, wear neat and clean clothes but no over makeup. For women, there should not be no old nail polish stains on your nails. Appearance of decent and sober person. The best way is to meet those people or to see those people who have got that job and try to wear such type of dresses. For example, if you want to join Allied Bank, visit over there and see that what type of dresses are tellers and other employees wearing. If they are wearing a pant, coat, tie, so when you go for the job of a teller, you should wear pant, coat, and tie. In this way, they will feel that you are the part of their domain and you are part of their team, you are a groomed person, and time would not be wasted on your personal grooming. Pronunciation. It is said that pronunciation is more attractive than charming and beautiful teeth. If you pronounce some word badly, people will forget your crux and thoughts and ideas. They will just memorize your badly pronounced word and they will make fun of you. Rise and fall must be present in the presentation. Voice must be very clear so that audience can listen. Audible according to the number of the participants. Suppose if you are presenting in a big auditorium where 1000 people are sitting, obviously there should be a microphone, good speaker, so that you must be audible to all uh, participants or all those who are attending that seminar or function. Feeling nervous. What are the symptoms? Lack of experience. This is the main reason. Experience, you should practice it. Lack of preparation. Prepare your presentation so that you will not be a nervous person. Lack of enthusiasm. There must be a motive. Negative self talk. Some people devalue themselves, that you cannot succeed, you cannot win, your appearance is bad, so don't defeat yourself. Dealing with nervousness, obviously you should prepare your work well. Have deep breaths, take long breaths so that you feel relaxation. Sit close to the stage. Some participants sit far away, suppose 50 yards away from the stage. When they walk 50 yards, the result is they uh, they are panting and they cannot control their breath. So sit very close to the stage. Engage with your audience. Makes you feel more relaxed, create interest in the audience. Okay. You should become over. You should be confident, but not overconfident. And for this purpose, you should prepare your work, your presentation, your topic. Focus on your goal. That what is your goal? Rehearse and practice a lot because practice makes a man perfect. Know your subject and explore different dimensions of that subject. Use relaxation techniques. Even if you provide handouts and ask them to fill it, that is also a relaxation technique. Make audience comfortable. Be positive, positive thinking, positive mindset. Avoid stressors. Those things which create stress for you, you should avoid them. Fourth P is presentation. The most powerful visual aids are words, your voice, your body language. Your body language should support your words. Take a strong start. Use hooker, joke, fact, or story. How can you take a strong start? Tell them a story and hook the attention of the audience, or tell them some facts and figures, or crack a joke to attract the attention of the audience. Then audience has been captured and come to your real point and try to maintain that interest and attention till the last moment. Passion must be present. You must have watched speeches of our ex Prime Minister Imran Khan. There is a passion in his speech. His body language is full of passion, emotion, and it reflects that he speaks truth and he is devoted to that cause. Smile but not mechanically. It should show that you are happy with this presentation. You are not a forced person. You are not in a perturbed or stressed mode. Dealing with question answers. Obviously, when some audience members raise questions during the presentation And in the end of every presentation, there is a question answer session. You should follow the track technique. Track mean thanks the questioner that thank you so much for raising the question. Then repeat the question whether you have understood the question or not. Then the person who is asking a question, he will answer that yes, this was my question. Then start answering the question. Check with the questionnaire if they are satisfied, and then in the end, are you satisfied by my answer? And then thank you again and ask the person to have a seat. What makes a talk or presentation poor? In this picture, you are looking at one previous prime minister. He is so much confused. He is holding some pieces of paper and he has paper reading. His positioning of legs is also uncomfortable. He drinks water. He moves hands on his face, and he's so much in disturbed condition. So this is a bad example of presentation. Little or no eye contact. He has no eye contact with President Obama. No engagement with the audience. He is not hooking the attention of the audience. Mumbling. Mumbling mean you cannot speak clearly. You just mix up different sounds. Reading from a paper, this is very bad. Or you read too fast, or there is only monotone. Monotone mean there is no rise and fall. Little or no structure in the presentation. Clarity is missing, or too much information and bad visual aids. These are the characteristics of bad presentation, so you should avoid them. Okay. Best presentation skill. First of all, well prepared. No paper reading. Confidence is at its peak. Emotions are supporting the speech. Body language is so powerful. There is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Fluency. In speech, there is fluency. There is a win-win style that he wins. Okay. Now, this is a way how can students prepare their presentation. Get a list of the best-selling books. I have shared the link here. I have shared 2 links. Then download these books. This is a link. Now you should read that best-selling book. The best thing is to read any book completely and write its summary or book review, and then give presentation on that book. If time is short, last, and the lower level option is you can take a book summary from the internet and present it. Make PPT slides with best visuals. Just write hints and headings. Do not copy paste all summary. Just write 2-3 words in one point and then elaborate those points. A 5-minute presentation would be in the class. TED Talk style presentation is ideal. You should watch different TED Talks. Over there, they just hook the attention and they make the audience laugh, and that is full of information, and that's a research-based talk. Okay, here Sirius data. Sirius means the brightest star. It provides different types of services like training in linguistics, research, technology, and different types of tutoring, linguistics, literature, IELTS, English for all classes and levels. Editing, proofreading services are also provided. Translation English to Urdu and Urdu to English. And if there is any type of content writing, for example, speeches, essays, or mission statements, or any other thing, you can feel free to contact for getting any services. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much.